Karl just got the water chest back from the engineering dude.
It's all been silver soldered up, cleaning it up and repainting, and then hopefully maybe tomorrow arvo, depends whether the paint dries with a few coats, we can put it back in. I hope it's going to be okay, because it cost us a pretty penny to get it all silver soldered up. So, but it looks like it's a good job, all nice, and hopefully no more leaks, and hopefully it should last another 20 or 30 years. Originally it had a leak here, 2 leaks under here, and another leak on this one here. So 5 leaks. Not dripping, but just starting to weep through. So you thought, we can't leave that. There's no way in the world we can leave that with 5 almost leaks. So yeah, we got it done. Easier to fix it now than when we're halfway between somewhere and there's some thing going off in the middle of nowhere. So better here than somewhere else. That's what I keep saying. 2 steps forward, 1 step back. But we're getting there. Not 100% sure whether I should be spraying the inside of this, but I'm doing it anyway. It can't hurt unless it flakes off. If it flakes off, it's bad. It was originally painted with something. We're not 100% sure with what, but
Karl's up bright and early, already into it. I just got up.
So he's fixing the water chest this morning
going back in.
after all the dramas of getting it fixed, and as you can see, shit's everywhere again. So he's repainted it all nice, and hopefully no leaks.
Hopefully. Not guaranteed though.
If it doesn't work,
Take it back out and take it back. Because they couldn't pressure test it, so we don't know 100% sure that it doesn't leak. By crikey, we're hoping it doesn't leak.
yeah. Fingers crossed, it's got a shitload of silver on it.
Silver solder, yep, tons of silver solder. It's quite loose.
Cleanest thing down there.
It is. There's one dodgy fitting on the other side that I'm not happy with. It didn't go on very well, but we will put some water in it and see how we go. Hopefully no leaks, please. Okay, this is the moment of truth. We're going to turn our sea chest on and see whether we've got any leaks. That's on. And we're going to have to let some air out. We'll let the air out, hopefully. No leaks pouring out, so that's great. That's the first step. So far so good. We'll see in an hour's time. Well, our seawater strainer and manifold is all completely done. No leaks, as of yet anyway, and all the air's been bled out of it, all tested, all good. So I'm happy with that. No more leaks there. Tick.
He's down in the naughty corner.
Again.
What you doing down there?
Today I am draining the bottom of the fuel tanks to make sure there's no water in them, or there probably will be, get the water out, and also changing the fuel filters. But I don't have all of the filters, so I'm just going to change the ones I've got for now. And I've ordered the other one, the main one, and I'll have to come back and do that next time. But for now, fuel tanks, this side's the easy side, it's the other side it's a bit harder, so I'm going to see how I go. So, fuel tanks today's job.
Yeah.
Well, it looks okay, but it's a bit cloudy.
It looks like we.
And it's got that strange terp smell. I wonder whether that's the fuel doctor. Anyway, a little bit cloudy. We'll do another one. Much better than I thought. Put it that way. Second 2 litres, much better. A little bit clearer. So that's good. I'll do one more on that tank, and that's 1 out of 4 of these. We've got 2 tanks that are separated into half each. So we've got 4 tanks. So
And-
very good.
And just so you know, we know that's a 1.5 litre, not a 2 litre.
Oh.
In case anyone's going
I didn't know. Well, I'm not good at maths. I might be good at English, not.
Tank 1, second half is the same as the first. First one's a bit milky, not milky, what do you call it? A bit cloudy. So that must be the fuel doctor, I'm guessing, suspending the water in the fuel. So we'll do another 1 or 2 on this one, and hopefully it's all clear as well, like the last one. So the last one cleared up very nice. Uh-oh!
Oh my god. That's soup.
These tanks are nasty on this side, hey?
My god. You're going to have to take all that fuel out?
Nasty. Yeah, we're going to have to just keep emptying it until it's clean. Not all the fuel.
Wow.
Not 400 litres, but look at it. Can you see it's starting to separate? So that's the fuel doctor. Makes the water suspend in the fuel so that the motor can theoretically use it.
Wow.
Yeah, nasty.
Soup.
We're going to be doing a few of these. Let's see how many. I'll let you know.
Looks like pumpkin soup.
So the last tank took about 10 or 15 litres to clear up, and this one is exactly the same. Oh, it's a little bit better actually. Ooh, but it's got a lot of dirt in it. Yuck.
Karl's just emptied this out of the filter. Yuck, look at the water. Ew. Another crisis averted, I think, while you're doing this.
Another what?
Another crisis averted.
Yeah. Look at the fuel filter.
Oh my gosh, look at that. That's a shocker.
That is a shocker.
And I'm not a mechanic, but I can tell that's not right.
Not right at all. Well, today's effort has been good. So I emptied the water out of the tanks, and I took out about altogether, I think it was 40 litres of fuel, which had a little bit of water at the bottom, and some of them, this portside tank or 2 tanks had a lot of mixed water and crap in it. So that's great. I've replaced the fuel filters now. They're all looking much better. So there's one there for the port side, one for starboard. So replace them. Then we've got another fuel filter and water separator here. So I've replaced that. That was a little bit dirty. And I've also replaced the one on the engine. So we should be good to go. I'm going to try and start it now. I've bled it as much as I can. I've primed it, and we will give it a go and see how it goes. Okay. Let's see whether we're gonna go. Are you ready? Hope it works. Oh yeah, baby. See whether we got water. We'll just check for leaks.
Got one of our neighbours, he's kind enough to show Karl how to pop the sails up while it's not too windy. That way we can check that they're all okay. We are going to take the genoa off. The actual UV protection is coming unstitched, so we're going to send that off to the canvas guy to have that fixed up. Getting closer.
Right, that's free for running.
Just like that.
Yep, leave it free. So now when we crank down on this again, right, keep going. I want to see this boom come up. Right, let's get it up a little bit more, because if the wind starts blowing, I don't want the boom hitting that.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. If you want a reminder, hit the bell. And remember, we always love a thumbs up.
Or the next day. So hopefully it's okay, because it's probably cost about the same as a small kid to sell. Okay.
It's a little extreme.
Yep, so for your little bloody mousing wire,
Bitef gel.
get mono steel.